started looking at the smog situation or the air pollution in different cities, that was the first thing that I did. I expected that I'm going to find some data out there. The World Health Organization has some data, but I was surprised to find that data dates back, the most recent is from 2011. So, which is not current today. We're a developing country, things are changing here very rapidly. The government should be the one that's providing this information. It's as much of a right for citizens to know about their air quality as it is to know about the weather, about the temperature, or if there's a rain being forecast. My initiative is a citizens initiative. It's a community-driven initiative to bring data out to people, specifically air quality data. I believe that data helps empower citizens to make informed decisions. So this, as a community-driven initiative, the community nowadays is on social media. So I'm promoting this through Facebook, through Twitter, of course, and then in discussions with different groups about the topic. There's groups that have formed in the last couple of weeks around air quality, such as the Citizens for Clean Air. There's been a big snowball impact, rather. So all I've done is that I've given data to people. For example, people are using this data to go to the courts to show how bad the air is actually looking. People are talking about it in the news media nowadays.